Now is the couple getting ready, bridal couple, for oil bath or Mangala Snanam.
Sri Krishna Krishna Yani Radha Sametu Gani Naradudu Nuti Seya Nagaram Bulono
Now this is followed by the Ashirvadam for Radha and Krishna separately. There will be two Bhagavatas. It will be each one carrying a tambalam like that, with all the breasts and other ornaments and everything to be given away as the gift to the person. Ashirvadam. And following the Ashirvadam, there will be what is called a Churnika. Now Churnika in Sanskrit means it is just a style of prose. Nothing complicated about it. It is a style of prose which is devoid of compound sentences. It is just simple sentences, simple words really. The descriptive slokam which generally describes the Kalyana scene, the venue, how the Varan and the Vadhu are dressed, and it describes in this case the Goloka Vriddhantam, because Krishna is in Goloka, and the scene created by Krishna to invoke Radha to her real Swarupa and trying to rush and unite with Krishna. So there will be the description of both of these in the Churnika. So as we go along, I'll tell you more about it.
Sataya Swahetyaha Sadayurvaidrishasadavirya Ayureva Viryam Avarunde Sahasraya Swahetyaha Ayurvai Sahasram Ayureva Varunde Sarvasmaiva Svehetyaha Aparividameva Varunde Shreyo Vasye Ayat Sambhutam Bhutam Chitrakedu Prabhanapan Sambhan Jyotishmakum Tejasvanadapakum Stapannapidabhanno Rochano Rochamana Shobhano Shobhamana Kalyanam Sri Radha Kalyana Mahotsave Mamana Rishabhanu Maharaja Vinashirvadam Pattu Pitambaram Sakala Saubhagyam Ilam Pushpam.
This is the Ashirvadam for Lord Krishna, and now to be followed by the gift to Vadhu, Sri Radha.
Navo Navo Bhavati Jayamanon Ham Keturushasa Sami Dhigre Pagante Vebhyo Vidaratyayena Prachandramasti Radidhirgamayuhu Sumankaliriyam Madhuri Mahum Samera Paschata Saubhagyamasmai Tatvayatасtam Viparedana Imam Swamindra Pasuputrakum Supakam Guru Tashasyam Putranadehi Pativekadasam Kruti Rochano Rochamana Shobhano Shobhamana Kalyanaha Sri Radha Kalyana Mahotsave Mamana Vasudevananda Gopa Maharajavi Ashirvadam Pudavairavatri Srimangalyam Sakala Saubhagyam Sakram Pushpam. Gambira Nadayodu Vandan Gambira Nadayodu Vandan Raja Gambira Nadayodu Vandan Tiru Kalyana Mandavathil Raja Gambira Nadayodu Vandan Tiru Kalyana Mandavathil Raja Karamalar Valatili Tamatang Kandiya Manakala Kadaliyenga Karamalar Valatili Tamatang Kandiya Manakala Kadaliyenga Irai Kadku Sai Tavangom Tedi Vanda Kuttamella Marikathenga Veera Nadayodu Vanda Veera Nadayodu Vanda Gambira Nadayodu Vandan Tiru Kalyana Mandavathil Raja Gambira Nadayodu Vandan Karamalar Valathinai Tavatanga Kanniyar Manakala Kadaliyenga Karamalar Valathinai Tavatanga Kanniyar Manakala Kadaliyenga Irai Kadku Kuvisai Tavangomga Tedi Vanda Kuttamella Marikathenga Veera Nadayodu Vandan Bambavul Malathodum Mangayargal Onrai Vaithirundu Gauri Kalyaname Paada Bambavul Malathodum Mangayargal तत्रगलु बृन्दारण्ये मन्दार पारिजात सन्धान कल्पक हरिचन्दनादि तलु बृन्दानन्दित सुखपिक सारिकादि बृन्दपूरित वन्दनोध्याने समुत्पुल्ल शारद मल्लिकादि मकरन्द परिमळ लालसतया संचरीक झणत्कार नूपुररवैः विचित्र पदत्रिवक्रोद्गलित नाना विनोद निनाद ताळ मृदंग संगीतादि कलाविशेषैः आलक्षिता अनेक कोटि वन देवता नाट्य रसोत्तटे कलिंद नंदिनी पुलिन समुल्लसित ललिता ललित लवंगलदादि विहितलता पवने क्वापि क्वापि शारद चंद्र चंद्रिका विलसित मणिमालुका मौक्तिक शित शिखता सुधा रमणीय वेदिका जाले दिव्य विमान समारूढ़ सुर किन्नरादि वरवनिता गणेशु पच्चित्सु वर्षत्सु च मुहुर्मुहुः पारिजातादि दिव्य सुगन्धि कुसुमानि भक्त संकल्प सिद्धिम् आतन्वानः गोपरमणीनयोत्पलारादित मदन गोपालमूर्तिः सजल जलधर रुचिर नीलगात्रम् विद्युल्लदेव कनकचेला अलङ्कृतः पुरन्दर गौरिव भञ्जमाण मालानिवीत ಹಾರವಲಯ ನೂಪುರ ಕಿರೀಟ ಕೇಯೂರಾದಿ ಭೂಷಣ ಭೂಷಣ ನವಮೋಹನ ಮೋಹನಾಂಗಿ ಗೌರಾಂಗಿ ನವಮೋಹನ ಗೌರಾಂಗಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಯೌವನ ಶಾಲಿನಿ ಕಲಹಂಸ ಕಾಮಿನಿ ಕರುಣಾವಲೋಗಿನಿ ಅನಕಮಣಿ ಖಚಿತ ಹೇಮ ನಿಷ್ಕಂಠಿ ಕೇತಕಿ ಚಂಪಕ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾದಿ ಅಲಂಕೃತ ನೀಲಾಲಕವೇಣಿ ಅರವಿಂದ ಸುಂದರ ಮಂದಹಾಸ ಮುಖಿ ನಿಂದಿತ ನೀಲೋತ್ಪಲದಳ ಲೋಚನ ಪ್ರಣತ ಜನ ಚಿಂತಾಮಣಿ ಗೋಪಾಂಗಣ ಚೂಡಾಮಣಿ ವೃಷಭಾನುಕುಲಮಣಿ ಸ್ವಾಹ್ಲಾದಿನಿ ಮೂರ್ತಿಮತಿ ರಾಧಾ ಮನಸಿ ನಿಧಾಯ ತದ್ವಿರಹ ಜ್ವರತಾಪಕರ್ಷಿತ ವನಾತ್ವನಂ ಕುಂಜಾತ್ ಕುಂಜಂ ತಾಂ ವಿಚಿನ್ವನ್ನ ಸಖೀ ಜನ ಸಹಾಯೇನ ಸಂಯೋಜಿತ ಅತಿ ಚಡುಲ ಚಾಟು ಪಟು ಚಾರು ಮಸನೈಃ ತಾಂ ಪ್ರೀಣಯಿತ್ವಾ ದಯಾ ಸಹ ನವ ಪಲ್ಲವ ಪ್ರತಿಭ ಸಯನಯುತ ಮಂಜುಳ ಮಂಜುಳ ಕುಂಜಾಂತರಂ ಗತಃ ಗಾಂಧರ್ವ ವಿಪಿನ್ ಅನುಸಸಾರ ತನ್ಮಹೋತ್ಸವಾಯ ಲಲಿತಾ ಲಲಿತಾ ಅಷ್ಟ ಸಖೀ ಬೃಂದಂ ಲಲಿತಾ ಅಷ್ಟ ಸಖೀ ಬೃಂದಂ ಲಗ್ನಾಷ್ಟಕಂ ಆರಬಂಧಃ ಲಲಿತಾ ಅಷ್ಟ ಸಖೀ ಬೃಂದಂ ಲಗ್ನಾಷ್ಟಕಂ ಆರಬಂಧಃ
Have the two Nikai, one for Krishna and another one for Radha, just now. Now the next program includes Pravaram. And I would like to explain what is Pravaram because a lot of people may not know. We do say in Abhivadiye, Pravaranvitaha, after saying the Rishi's name. Abhivadiye, Angrasa, Bhaduputya, Bharudaja, Traya Rishiya, Pravaranvitaha. Pravaram really means clan or lineage. You know, when somebody is there, if you say I am from Tiruchengood or some village in India, people may not understand where are you from. Oh, it is in South India. In South India, which state? Kerala. So that is one layer of it. After Kerala, it becomes India. After India, it becomes India. Some people may not even know where you are from India. I know, I've heard people who do not know where is India. Once upon a time. You tell them it is in Asia. So, layer by layer, you talk about to which particular group they belong, what is the clan. So, that is really the Pravaram. Now, we are going to talk about the Pravaram for Krishna as well as for Radha. You will be following after this. When you do the wedding, the Pravaram is an announcement introducing the bride and the groom separately. Normally, they say it very loud. In fact, they say it 3 times. You know the reason why? Because if there are any negative comments from anybody, it could be immediately cropping up. Somebody can say, well, I don't think this is the right match. You know? So, to avoid any negative comments, we have to say that in loud with the Pravaram, what is the clan, what is the lineage to which they belong, their father's name, the grandfather's name, the Gotra, and so on and so on. So, that is what is going to be said right now. If you say Krishna's father Vasudeva was in jail, you know, somebody will say, well, what is this? This person is his father was in jail. Let somebody explain, look, he was not in jail for his own fault. His father, the biological father of Vasudeva, and actually the father who brought up was Nandagopa. And Nandagopa was having thousands of cows and a very rich person and very well known. So the objection is overruled. So that's the reason why Pravaram is said very, very strongly. In our marriages, we do that. The same thing is said here. At the end of the Pravaram, we say Vrinimahi. And after this Pravaram, there will be the Kannikadhanam. Now, you all know what is Kannikadhanam. Kannikadhanam is probably the greatest of, noblest of all gifts that one gives. The father of the bride offers the hand of the girl in marriage to the groom. The groom accepts it with a promise to treat the bride with love and respect and an equal partner in all walks of life. And the holy water flows to the bride father, his own symbolizing the transfer of responsibility from the father to the groom. So after that we will have what is called Lagnashtakam. Lagnashtakam is a very important part of the wedding ceremony here, and it actually tells who are the people who have assembled to bless the couple. So it's a very important function, because there are lots and lots of people, and who all have assembled to bless the couple. So this Lagnashtakam, which is in 8 verses, tells you that during Radha Kalyanam there is this recitation of 8 Mangala Slokas, which you see. Now they are Devatas and different groups of people who are coming there to bless. You see the 9 planets. There is one verse which is from all 9 planets. And all 9 planets in their Subhasthanaka, that is in their own house, where they are the strongest. And they are all present to not only bless the couple, but bless all of us. Just imagine how blessed we are. We will never have all the planets in their houses, respective houses. The second is the Gandharva and Siddhas and Charanas, who play the instruments. And Indra, Yama and all Devaloka celebrities. And great heavenly Bhagavatas like Prahlada, Parashar, Sukha, Vyasar and Narada. And Shiva, Parvati family and so on. Great Rishis, Vishwamitra, they all come. Most celebrated Pativitas like Arundhati, Savitri, and various divine rivers like Ganga, Yamuna, Narmada, Kaveri, Ravana. So all of us gathered here will receive their blessing. So at the end of the Lagnashtakam, first they will distribute the Akshatai. I think we will do it before, during the Lagnashtakam, right? Akshatai will distribute it. For each group we represent, we will take a portion of the Akshatai and keep it separately. So at the end of that, you will have 8 such small groups, and all 8 of them will eventually be collected by somebody and then presented. Instead of just throwing it like this and somebody may step on it, we will have someone to collect all the Akshatais and then present it to the Lord.
This is program for Radha. Sarvashruti Smriti Purana Itikasa Sastrartha Swarupini Shakru Prapanna Jana Samrakshana Dikshita Katakshini Uddharita Godrodbhava Chaturdasha Bhuvanadishwarim Brahmandasya Urdhva Deshe Shruti Sata Vitita Ravikoti Prakasha Golokavasini Tattvartha Deepika Advitiya Kandita Jnanananda Paripurnatama Brahmakeda Janani Akilanta Koti Brahmanda Nayaki Bhanunatha Vamshodbhava Suvarna Bhanu Gonayaka Varmano Naktri Surabhanu Gonayaka Varmana Pautri Vrishabhanu Gonayaka Varmana Putri Sri Radha Namni Sakshat Paripurnatama Swarupini Kanya. चतुर्वेद साकाध्यायिने सर्वश्रुति स्मृति पुराण इतिहास शास्त्रगम्याय शरणागतोद्धार गोत्राय चतुर्दश भुवनाधीश्वराय अखिलाण्डकोटि ब्रह्माण्ड नायकाय ब्रह्माण्डस्य ऊर्ध्वदेशे सर्वश्रुति विदित रविकोटि प्रकाश गोलोकवासिन्य भाग्योदराय श्री भूरीणा विरजा सेवित पाद पंकजाय श्री राजेश्वरी प्राणनाथाय तत्वातीताय परात्पराय सच्चिदानंद विग्रहाय सोमवंश पावनाय श्री यदुकुल वंशोद्भवस्य विदूरक महाराज वर्मणो नक्त्रे सूरसेन देवमीका महाराज वर्मणो पौत्राय वसुदेव आनक दन्दुपि वर्मण पुत्राय श्री कृष्णचंद्र वर्मणे साक्षात् परिपूर्णतम स्वरूपाय कन्निका स्वामी को लक्ष्य कन्यां कनकसम्पन्नां कनकाभरणभूषितां दास्यामि विष्णवे तुभ्यं ब्रह्मलोकजिगीषया विश्वम्भरा सर्वभूता साक्षिण्यः सर्वदेवता इमां कन्यां प्रदास्यामि लोकानां धारणाय च इति क्षीराब्धिरिव महालक्ष्मी स्वरूपिणी राधा नाम्नीं कन्यां श्रीमते कृष्णचन्द्राय वराय शोभन मंत्राक्षत पूर्ण फल हिरण्य मंत्रोदक धारा सहितं श्री कृष्णचन्द्र करारविन्दे समर्पयामासः। लग्नाष्टकम् आरम्भो முதல் विघ्नेश शशि सूर्यन विघ्नेश शशि सूर्य मंगल बुधा शुक्रस्तथा हीष्पति राहु केतुयुत शनैश्वरयुत सर्वे शुभस्थानकाः गोभूसुररक्षणाय गोभूसुररक्षणाय वसुधा सम्प्राप्तयोः आप्तयोः राधा माधवयो विवाह समये कुर्वन्तु वा मङ्गलम् सुलग्ने सावधान सुमुहूर्ते सावधान लक्ष्मी नारायण ध्यान सावधान। गंधर्वावतार सिद्ध चारण गणा दिव्यांगना गणा गायन्तो दिविजाद दुन्दुभिरवै वीणारवै संयुता नृत्यन्तो ललितं निदाक्षर पदैः स्तोत्रैः स्तुवन्तो मुदा राधायां राधा माधवयो विवाह समये कुर्वन्तु वा मङ्गलम् सुलग्ने सावधान सुमुहूर्ते सावधान लक्ष्मी नारायण ध्यान इंद्रो वग्नि यमो तदा निवृत्ति पाशिमरुक्षराट ईशानस्तः वाहनैः स्वरमणियुक्ता नियुक्ता मया भूपारासुरराजसङ्गतवनं कर्तुं तरां प्राप्तयो राधा माधवयो विवाह समये